Hello, I'm Skanda.
I'm Sriram.
I'm Saket Rathi.
And we are eating plastic
Plastic from
Ready
Bangalore Bangalore South. Plastic salt. How we come over here? While traveling our daily lives, we every day see waste landfills every day. These waste landfills mainly consist of plastics. To avoid plastics, the main thought was avoidance. But in the bubble we are right now, we use plastics every day. So the second thought was recycling. But recycling right now has its own drawbacks. But firstly, how is recycling done? There are two types of plastics: thermoplastics and thermosets. Thermoplastics are 75% of the world's plastics. These plastics can be heated and remolded into different products for our use. Thus recycled. Whereas thermosets cannot be remolded and reused. Now, 72% of the world plastics are in landfills, and only 90% incinerated, and only few 9% of the world's plastics are being recycled. So why so less? Out of the 75%, only 9% have been recycled. Why so less? So thus we came up with our project Plastisort.
The main problem faced in recycling of plastics is that sorting takes a lot of time. And that is why we have come up with a solution that automates it. Now let us take a look at how it works. Our prototype consists of a Raspberry Pi, a LCD, a camera module, and a push button. As you can see, we have to press the push button to start. Let's look at an example. This is an image of a type 5 polypropylene. Now let's see how our prototype detects it. We first press the button to start and it starts scanning. And after a certain and it starts evaluating later and gives the right output. Now let us look at another example. This is type 2, which stands for high density polyethylene. Now let us take a look at how it works. As usual, we press the button to start. We hold it in range. It scans and it evaluates and gives the right output. This is how our model works. Now let me explain on what we have done. We have used TensorFlow and Keras to create a custom object detection model. We have trained it on a custom data set, which includes thousands of pages. This is how our model works.
We are going to integrate our algorithm with MRFs, which is material recovery facilities, and recycling facilities to help use the plastics that have been discarded for other purposes. We'll also use it for smart recycling bins in plastic, like malls that use a lot of plastic products, so that it can be automatically sorted without having to use much of human labor. We'll also collaborate with waste management companies that can use it to make their own products faster, and also make it more easy for them to sort their own plastic. Finally, we can customize it for people who are running places of they're running places of different purposes. So we can customize it so they can sort certain plastic certain ways that they want specifically for their own purposes.
I developed a custom object detection model.
I help research and bring ideas.
I put the software and hardware together to form a product.
So let's hope to make the world a better place using plastic.
Thank you.